Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to tint Dodge Charger tail lights. First, ensure you have all your materials ready, including quality tint film, a heat gun, a sharp utility knife, and a squeegee. Next, meticulously clean the tail light lenses with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove all dirt and wax. This crucial step ensures proper adhesion. Finally, carefully measure your tail lights and cut the tint film, allowing for an extra 1 to 2 inches on all sides for easier handling and trimming. Now, generously spray a slip solution, typically water with a few drops of baby shampoo, onto both the tail light and the adhesive side of your cut film. This solution allows you to easily slide and position the tint. Carefully lay the film onto the wet tail light, taking your time to align it perfectly. Once positioned, use your squeegee to firmly push out all the water and air bubbles, working from the center outwards to the edges. After squeegeeing, it's time to trim. Using a very sharp utility knife, carefully cut away the excess film, following the exact contours of your tail light. Take your time to achieve a clean, professional edge. Next, use a heat gun on a low setting to gently shrink and conform the film to any curves or complex shapes on the light. Finally, firmly press down all the edges to ensure a strong, lasting seal, preventing any lifting or peeling. To ensure your new tint lasts, allow it to cure completely for at least 48 to 72 hours before washing your vehicle. This allows the adhesive to fully bond. When cleaning, always use mild soap and water, avoiding any harsh chemicals or abrasive brushes that could damage the film. Proper care will keep your tail lights looking great for years. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home cleaning game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.